Okay, I'm gonna try this one more time. So I just got this really crappy Road Pro lock. Actually, the proper way to do it is get the keys off. I chose my weapons. I got a snake. This is sparrows, by the way. So I have that, and then this is the width that I chose, which you can't see, and I don't even know how to explain it, but that's my short end, long end. Okay, my time limit is this song. And I noticed, do not let that thing, that's why I chose long. So that I can get over that once I get rotation on the cylinder. Like that. I hope that actually came out on camera. Just like that. If you didn't, I hope that came out. Look at how much the thing. Look at how much the cylinder is rotated there. Because it was open. All right then. Enough of that.